Have you ever met Igbo people and wished you could greet them in their language? Or you're learning Igbo and don't know where to start? You are in the right place. Today, I will teach you the most important Igbo greetings that every beginner should know. So by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to greet people from morning to night and ask them how they are. Let's get started. In Igbo culture, greetings are very important. A good greeting shows respect, friendliness, and a good upbringing. So let's start with the greetings you will use every day. Time-based greetings. Number one, Ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma means good morning. Ụtụtụ ọma. Can you repeat this after me? Ụtụtụ ọma. Again, Ụtụtụ ọma. That's good. Now, you can also say good morning in a different way, which is Ibolachi. Ibolachi. Can you repeat after me? Ibolachi. Excellent. Now, number two is Ehiyoma, which is good afternoon. Ehiyoma or Ehiyoma. Please repeat after me. Ehiyoma. Ehiyoma. That's great. Okay, the third one is Mbedoma. Mbedoma is good evening. Good evening. Mbedoma. Can you repeat it after me? Mbedoma. Again, Mbedoma. That's great. Okay, the fourth one is Kachifu, which is good night. Kachifu. Kachifu. Can you repeat it after me? Kachifu. Again, Kachifu. That's great. Now this one has a response, which is Kobo. No, Kachifu actually, literally, it means let the day break for you. Let the day break, kind of. And then the response means let it break. We use Kachifu when we are about parting for the night or we're about going to sleep. Yes, when we're about parting. But when you're just meeting someone for the first time that night, you know it's best to greet good evening, which is Mbedoma. General greetings. Under general greetings, we're talking about two greetings. The first one is Ndeewo. Ndeewo means hello. It's good to still remember. I taught that in the first lesson. Okay. Ndeewo means hello. It's a respectful way of greeting that you can use for elders. You can use it for even people you don't know so well. It goes. Okay. And the response to Ndeewo is also Ndeewo. So if someone tells you Ndeewo, you should also respond with Ndeewo. Okay? Good. Now the second one here is Nnọọ. Nnọọ means welcome. That's good. You remember. Now, welcome. If someone comes in from somewhere, you tell the person no. Let's say it's your father that comes in somewhere. I taught you what father means last time. Now, if your father comes in from somewhere, what are you supposed to tell him? Tell him, nah, no. You can say, nam, no. The nam means my father. Welcome. Nam, no. Maybe it's your mom. Say, ne, no. Or name, no. Okay. The response to no is O. If someone tells you no, you will not say no. Of course, you don't tell somebody welcome back. When someone tells you welcome, say O. Asking about someone's well-being. If you want to ask about someone's well-being, you ask kedu. Now, kedu literally means how. How. But when you say that alone, it means how are you? How are things? How is everything? Maybe how is the situation? Maybe how is the business? It could actually mean many things when somebody only says kedu. Now, your response should be odemma. Just imagine someone says, how is the business? Will you say, I am fine? No, you wouldn't. You would say, it is fine or it is well. So, odemma means it is well, or that everything is okay. Okay? Now, let's take it together. Please repeat after me. Kedu. Again, kedu. That's good. Now, the response. Let's go to response, which is odemma. Can you repeat it after me? Odemma. Good. Again, odemma. That's good. That's good. Odemma. Odemma. Now, but if someone gets more specific, or you want to get specific and ask somebody, how are you? For real, we want to be clear. You say, kedu ki mere? Kedu ki mere means how are you? Now, can you repeat after me? Kedu ki mere? Kedu ki mere? Now, this is written as kedu ka mere. You don't pronounce it like that because there's this thing we call olu daume, as in vowels, Igbo vowels kind of swallowing each other, the sounds. So when two vowels are written together, sometimes, in most cases, one will swallow the sound of the other one. So you wouldn't hear the other one like that. So if you hear somebody saying kedu ka mere, no, does it even sound good? No. So the right thing to say is kedu ki mere. Okay, please, let's try again. Kedu ki mere. Again, kedu ki mere. That's excellent. Okay, now let's go to the response, which is ademma. Can you say it again? Ademma. 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 Good. Ademma means I am okay. I am fine. But what if you are not okay? What will you now say? The response then will be different. The response would be ademma. 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 Okay, let's try it. Ademma. Ademma. Together. Ademma. Ademma. Let's practice together. I'll say ụtụtụ ọma. You give me the response. Then I will say kedu. Remember the response to kedu? Odemma. Could you give me the response? Then I'll ask again, kedu ki mere? Then you give me the response to that, which is ademma. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Ụtụtụ ọma. Kedu? Kedu ka ị mere? Excellent! That's great! You did well. Congratulations! You have just learned some of the most important Igbo greetings that every beginner should know. Now tell me in the comments which of the greetings was your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe, because in lesson 2, I will teach you greetings used for showing respect, welcoming visitors, how to say goodbye, and using polite expressions like a native speaker. Good